There's a hot topic in recent years: no code and low code platforms. In other words, building apps without writing code or with just a tiny bit of it. But here's the big question: will these platforms kill software development? On one side, some people say companies won't need developers anymore. Everyone will just drag and drop to build apps. On the other side, developers argue, no, these tools are only good for simple stuff. Real software development can never be replaced. But let's think about it. Most websites today can be built with WordPress. Even mobile apps can now be created by non-coders. Some startups have even built million-dollar businesses entirely with these platforms. But here's the dark side. Do these platforms limit your freedom? Can they really match the flexibility and scalability of real software? And the biggest question, if anyone can create apps without coding, what happens to the future of developers? And this is where the debate heats up. Some developers see it as a threat. Others see it as an opportunity because they say no code can handle the basics, but when things get complex, you'll still need us. So what do you think? Will no code platforms really kill software development, or will they open the door to a new era for developers? Share your thoughts in the comments because this debate is just getting started.